Welcome to Akstar visual guys and good evening. So let's start. Today we are going to analyze the bank nifty, or you may say nifty bank of 26th May whole day's chart, and we will analyze the breakout and when and where we can or we could have started the trade. Okay, so before starting the video I will suggest you to always remember and check what are your risks are, how to invest and when to invest, and always know your money is your money and you have to take care of that. Okay, no one is more responsible of your money than you. Okay, so don't listen to anyone, just take the knowledge if you think so, and always trade with your own assumption and own probabilities. Okay, so let's see. This is the Zerodha Kite terminal, web based, and we can also trade using the mobile application provided by Zerodha. So you can clearly see I am using Zerodha's trading view. Okay, so trading view is another application, or you may say another website where you can see the live charts of different countries and different indices. Okay, so I generally use trading view as a standalone application, or you can see that trading view already has its individual application launched in India few days back, and also the website. So this is the trading view application, or you may say web-based terminal. So generally I don't, for analyzing purpose I don't log into Zerodha often. I just do the analysis in trading view. So you can clearly create an account in trading view, of course just with email and creating a new password for it. So clearly you can see trading view is more than enough for drawing the diagrams and analyzing its stocks if you are doing technical analysis. Okay, then let's start our video here. So you can clearly see at 26th May there was a gap up opening of around 1%. So after opening you can clearly see there is already an opportunity forming, which is we have denoted as breakout trade opportunity as 1, the green one in square. So there are many breakup opportunities, 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 5. Okay, if it is buy, I had colored it in green, and if it's for sorting, then I had colored in red, like number 2 is red and number 1 is green. So let's start with the first one. So after opening, okay, just look for it. After a huge opening, the any stocks always tries to retrace a bit and comes down a bit. So if this range is forming, like here you can see, if this range is forming and it is decreasing in a particular range, then if the range is broke at above part, and it will go and touch the resistance. Okay, what are the resistance are the peaks, the upper peaks, which you can see clearly. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance at the ranges. So you can clearly also see that after the breakout it has also touched the resistance at a simple steps and all. So you can trade here, but before trading, this is all assumption, this is all price action, tested and tried patterns and all. So you can also try it, but trading in this pattern is up to your own personal choice. Okay, so here you can see another breakout is there, and after seeing you can clearly know that there is also a pattern forming, but in opposite direction from bottom to up. Okay, but it is circulating in the same range. Okay, this is the formation, you can clearly see zigzag, and if the formation is from bottom to upwards at the right angle, then you can say that after the breakout at the bottom direction it will reach the supports of the ranges. Okay, you can clearly see after the breakout, which I said as number 2, and clearly showed you the profit and loss diagram of 1.5 RR ratio. So here you can see, if you start from this one after confirming a red candle, just look for it. If there is a breakout after a green candle, there is another red candle, so we will buy at that one. We will miss some point, but we will confirm then, and then we will buy it. Okay, so here you can see after shorting the stocks, you can clearly see it had reached the supports of the previous ranges. Okay, clearly it has reached, and it at around this point it has touched the lowest support of today's stocks. Okay, so here you can see you can take trades like this, and this is the shorting trade, so you can profit from if the stocks goes down also. Okay, so you can clearly see there's even a third breakout opportunity. Okay, while we are in trade of the second one, there's also forming a zigzag pattern and a range pattern, but this range is in the downward direction. So what we had said at the first breakout, that if the range is in downward direction, if it breaks the range, it is high probability that it will reach the upper, it will go up, the breakout will be towards upward direction. So here you can see that it's already the breakout is towards upward direction, and we can initiate a long trade. Long trade means buying trade. So we bought the stocks. Okay, so after buying the stocks, you can clearly see I am not buying the stocks right before the breakout. We waited a single candle of 1 minute, then we bought it for confirmation that the breakout is not fake one. Okay, so this is the breakout. You can clearly see after the breakout we had bought the stocks at the average price of the second candle. Okay, so you can clearly see around this range the resistance are our targets, and it has also achieved the target within around 30 minutes. So our target had been achieved within 30 minutes, and this is the stocks. But guys, clearly see after the third breakout opportunity, the stock is not actually in a range. Okay, obviously not every time the stock is in range. So in this range you can clearly see it is not going down from a particular space. I had highlighted it with purple square, purple rectangle, and what I had written it is a distribution phase. Okay, what is distribution phase means? This stock is not going down, it is trying, but it's not able to go down. Means what? Means there are sellers. The sellers are selling the stocks and the buyers are buying the stocks, but the sellers are intelligent, so they will sell the stocks and wait for a bit. Okay, then again the buyers keeps the price up, and when the price are again up, then again the sellers sold the price. Okay, by this you can clearly see this is a distribution phase, and they book profits here. Okay, after booking profit, what happens? Most of the buyers has already exited the stocks, so the price are going to fall. This is a simple idea, but we had a breakout opportunity on number 4 according to different stuff. What is the stuff? The stuff is like this. You can clearly see it is also forming a zigzag pattern. The zigzag pattern is towards upward direction. Okay, if the pattern is upward direction, it will go at the bottom, not up. What I said, if the direction is from down to up, then it will go at the bottom. Okay, but you can clearly see it has raised the it has exited the range from upward direction. Means what? We will think that we had failed, this was a breakout and the price will go up like that. But what I said, if the price is going from down to upwards, it will break out from the bottom and vice versa. But it is not always true. This is just a probability, and you can use it after your own assumption and own analysis. Okay, but you can clearly see if you waited a bit, this is not a breakout. There are wicks forming, and after the second candle it is red. Okay, if it was a breakout, the second, third candle would be a positive one, but it is a second negative one. Means what? This is a fake breakout. This happens to take the stop loss of different retail buyers and different buyers who don't know how to trade and all, who thinks that okay, market will do like this. It doesn't perform right now. Market is conducted by big players. Okay, we are the retail traders. We have to pay much more concern to the stock price than the pros. Okay, because we don't have that much of information to trade with. Okay, you can clearly see at that breakout we can clearly book a profit by selling. Okay, that was our fourth breakout, and this is another range. Okay, you can clearly see after the fourth breakout there are no breakout opportunity. Why it is so? Because this is a accumulation phase. Here they are not allowing the stock to go up. Why? Because they are booking the profits. Okay, and you can clearly see whenever the stocks goes up, someone sold the stocks and it goes down. Means what? Means what? There is a strong willpower of the buyers, the bulls. They are trying to pull the stocks, but again it's forming a resistance at the above part. But if it breaks the range, then what happens? Then it will shoot up. Okay, means at 27th May it will shoot up. Why? Because you can clearly see after a zigzag pattern it goes to lows. Okay, why lows? To fool the retail traders. After that it goes up again, it touches the support, the resistance, and again it goes down. Okay, after going down you can clearly see at the end of 26th May there is a small candle, 1 minute or 2 minute candle. I can't clearly see the 1 minute candle, 1 minute candle. So it is going up and it has broken the resistance. Means what? Means at 27th there will be a gap of opening. Most probably there will be a gap of opening, and whole the buyers who are trying to accumulate the stocks there at this range will be a support for next day. Okay, and the stock will jump from this and there will be a gap of opening. So this was the analysis. There are 5 breakout for 26th, but obviously we can't trade in generally all the breakouts. So if you are lucky enough you can trade 1 or 2 breakouts, but this is very tough for a retail trader to trade for most of the breakouts. So this was the analysis, guys, and you can clearly see within this 5 breakout buy and sell opportunities, if you traded same in future you can get some proper profits out of it. And if we use this analysis on the spot price of Bank Nifty and we traded in the option of ATM or OTM money, out of that money I will cover it afterwards, then you can clearly double your profit, more than double, triple also. If you had traded within 2 to 3 breakouts, you can clearly double or triple your money on options. But options is very risky, guys. I will not suggest most of the retail trader to do so if you don't know how to do and don't have proper practice in pen paper. You can trade in trading view also, doing paper trade and all. If you want to trade in Bank Nifty, I will suggest you can trade in HDFC Bank stocks in trading view as paper trading, and it is most probably the same, not fully but generally. So you can try your analysis in HDFC Bank because it has large portion in Bank Nifty index. So this was the analysis, guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, you can apply it, and this was just my own personal analysis. It's up to you to accept it or not, and just look for this pattern in any stocks, and if you feel so that yes, this is right, you can trade according to that. Okay, so always remember, do your own analysis. Okay, like right now I had shown you a video and you started doing that. No, don't do that. Own analysis is always better and always preferred. Okay, I used to trade listening to everyone and whatever, so I had lost lot of monies, and right now I do my own trading with my own analysis. If I lose the money, it's up to me. Okay, do like that. Okay, it's analyze yourself only. So thank you, trader, for watching this video, and if you have learned anything out of this one, I will be very grateful to share my experiences and share my thoughts. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.